Reading with Sarah. The Best Mouse Cookie by Laura Numeroff and Felicia Bond. Join us while Mouse and his friend Little Boy make cookies. Do you like cookies? I sure do. Mouse lives in a tree house. Isn't it lovely? Look at Little Boy peeking in. I wonder what his house looks like. Mouse has everything he needs to make cookies. Look at him fix his little chef hat. Isn't he so cute? What did he buy? What ingredients does he need? He adds flour, salt, and a little music. Mouse thinks baking is easy. Sometimes. Oops, it looks like he broke some eggs. How many eggs did he break? The higher the drop, the louder the plop. Now Mouse needs a little nap.
I'm so sleepy.
He makes himself comfortable. A little too comfortable. Uh-oh! Is that smoke? Oh no, it is! Oh well, Mouse doesn't mind starting over. We all make mistakes, but that's okay. There's no such thing as too many cookies. Wow, look at all those cookies! How many cookies can you eat? Just ask Mouse. Wow, he looks really full. The end.